Thank you, President, Prime Minister, Commissioner. I this morning want to express my extreme disappointment on behalf of the Northern Ireland fishing industry that yet another cut has been imposed upon the industry. Last night's announcement from the Council that there will be a 9% cut in NETROPS in Area 7A is a bitter blow to the Northern Ireland industry. It is a fragile industry because of the cod recovery programme and because of the cuts in the days at sea. It is an industry that has had to rely on NETROPS. This 9% cut will be devastating, and it is particularly galling since the science this year should have allowed the Commission to have a rollover. I think that the priority for the Spanish in the next term must be the reform of the common fisheries policy and decisions like this taken at regional level by local accountable people and not Brussels bureaucrats. Thank you.
Grazie. L'ultimo